Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Star Homestay. Today we are going to talk about kitchen renovation. The kitchen is a really important part of your home, and how well its design can directly affect your mood and cooking. So today, I'm sharing a few kitchen tips to avoid common mistakes and make the process smoother. Before starting your kitchen renovation, make sure you are well prepared. Pay extra attention to power socket and water line. Don't wait until the cabinets are in realize you don't have enough outlet or you'll be in trouble. First, think about which appliances you'll be using in the kitchen. Microwave, oven, water purifier, dishwasher. Make sure to leave extra socket just in case you add in new appliances in the future. Second, if you plan to install a water purifier or water dispensers, remember to reserve the water line in advance, or you might end up having to tear down the wall later when installing these devices. So, before renovating, it's a good idea to make a checklist of your kitchen appliances to make sure everything is covered. Next, let's talk about the kitchen layout. The size and the shape of your kitchen will determine which layout works best for you. Here are a few common layouts. Number 1. Single wall kitchens. This layout is great for small kitchens. Everything is lined up against one wall. Cabinets and appliances are all in one row. It's simple and space-saving, though counter space may be limited. If you have a smaller kitchen, this layout can make the space feel more open. Just note that you might need to move around more while cooking since everything is in a straight line. Number 2. Galley kitchen. This layout places cabinet and appliances on both sides with a walkway in the middle. It's great for long, narrow kitchens. The galley design gives you more counter space and storage, and the workflow is smooth since you can easily turn from side to side while cooking. The downside is that it can feel cramped, especially if two people are cooking at the same time, so it's best for solo cooks. Number 3. L-shaped kitchen. This is a popular layout that's used for a corner of the kitchen to form an L shape. It's very flexible and works well for most medium-sized kitchens. The L shape makes good use for corner space, offering plenty of counter and storage space. The workflow is also more natural, reducing the amount of walking needed while cooking. This layout is perfect for families that enjoy home-cooked meals. Number 4. U-shaped kitchens. Best for slightly larger kitchens. The U-shape uses 3 walls for cabinets and appliances, providing tons of counter and storage space. The big advantage is that everything is close together, making it ideal for those who love cooking. However, if the kitchen is too small, this layout can feel cramped, limited room to move around. Number 5. G-shaped kitchens. This layout adds a peninsula or an island to the U-shape, which is perfect for open concept kitchens. It gives you extra counter space and storage and can double as a breakfast bar or casual dining area. If you have enough space for the G-shaped kitchen, offer a comfortable, efficiency cooking environment and is great for socializing. Just make sure the walkway is wide enough to avoid feeling crowded. Number 6. Kitchen with an island. If you have a large enough kitchen, adding an island is a great way to enhance both functionality and style. The island can be used as a prep area, a dining table, a bar, or even additional storage. It adds layer to your kitchens and is ideal for open concept homes. An island creates a small social space, perfect for interaction while cooking. However, it requires a lot of space, so it's only suitable for larger kitchens. Of course, each layout has its pros and cons, so be sure to choose the one that best fits for your kitchen's size, shapes, and your daily habits. A well-designed layout will make cooking a more enjoyable experience. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this video helps you avoid some common mistakes when renovating your kitchens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more renovation tips for the next video.